You took a room like this and turned it into this, getting rid of all the color, and then looked at the room and decided what it was about the shapes of the furniture that made you attracted to it. Then you could figure out what your interior design style was based on shapes and not on color. And that's how I can tell that this is a bold room, because there's a lot of contrast between the dark colors and the light colors. Whereas a room like this comes monochrome because it basically looks almost the same. That's how I got one of the preferences in my decodna personality quiz. It is absolutely important to pick the right color for your space. That's not what I'm saying. But in this instance, you could take your style and overlay the colors that you prefer. Whether it's a monochrome, a tonal, or a bold space. You can take the quiz for free by clicking the link in my bio and follow for more.